Hi everybody, I'm going to show you the parts of the electric guitar, and if you watched my acoustic guitar parts video, then you know that you got the headstock, the machine heads, which is the tuning keys and the tuning peg. And this is a different kind of tuning peg. This is the slots where you put the string down in there and then bend it over and go around. Then you've got the nut, which is usually made of bone, and that's what holds the strings in place up here and also sets the height. This whole thing is called the neck, but really you've got the neck, and then the fingerboard is the slab of wood on top of the neck that the frets sit in. On the inside of the neck, there's the truss rod. There's actually a screw hole right here. You can't really see it. You have to take the neck off. It's used to adjust the bow or curvature of the neck. And then the strings are obviously the strings. If you press a string against a fret, it creates a pitch or a note, but a note's just a symbol or a name for a pitch. The fret markers at 3, 5, 7, 9, and then 12 has 2 dots, 15, 17, 19, and 21. They're sometimes made of clay, other times like a perloid, and they usually have matching dots on the top of the neck. Now, this is the body. On the acoustic, you had the soundboard, the back and the sides, but on the electric, it's the body. This is the neck plate, which these screws go through the neck plate and hold the neck onto the guitar. Then you've got the bridge. The bridge is actually this metal plate, and then these are the saddles that sit on top of the bridge. Now in the saddles, there's these little Allen wrench holes. That's how you adjust your string height. And then these screws back here move the saddle forward or backward, and that's how you adjust your intonation or the length of the string. Now this is a Stratocaster, so it has a tremolo block. There are 3 screws behind the saddles that go through and hold the tremolo block on. Now it's connected to these springs. They're connected to this tremolo claw that's screwed into the guitar. Now if you have a whammy bar or a tremolo arm, you can actually bend those springs to get that vibrato sound. On the end, you have a strap button. There's another strap button right here. That's where you hook your guitar strap up. Now let's talk about the electronics. The pick guard is just a piece of plastic that the electronics are mounted to. These are the pickups. They pick up the electromagnetic field of the string and turn it into AC electricity, which goes through wires on the inside to your volume and tone knobs. Your volume knob controls the loudness of the output of the guitar. The tone knob controls how much high frequencies or how much treble comes out of the guitar. The switch, when it's here, it's this pickup. When it's in the middle, it's this pickup. When it's here, it's the neck pickup. Now the in-between settings would be 2 pickups on at the same time, which one of my favorite sounds is when these 2 pickups are on. This little plate is the jack plate, and there's a jack in there where the plug goes in to connect your guitar and your amp. Those are the parts of your electric guitar. In the next video, we're going to start to get into music a little bit and talk about what a pitch is. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll put a link to my website, birdsnakebrown.com, in the description, and I'll post all my new lessons there as well as the materials that go with the lessons. Anyway, I'm Birdsnake. Thanks for watching.